Here we are. We're getting ready to go to the park. Yes, I know it's December 17th. We will explain that later. Yes, I know we're wearing strange clothing for December 17th.
I'll explain that later.
Yes, stay tuned. See ya. Oh man, it's been a cold, snowy winter. Man, it's been cold. Philippe, what are you doing wearing shorts? What is this? You put your snow pants on, man. What's going on here? What's happening? Philip is climbing a rock face with shorts on. I don't get it. It's like 20 below out. I hope he explains this to us.
No!
I hope he explains this to us.
Yes, I'll explain it.
Well, what is this tree doing here? What's going on? Look.
Okay.
What's happening?
Big reveal. We are now in Florida for the next 2 weeks.
No way. And 1 week of video, 8 days of video, palm trees, warmth. Fooled you, we're in Florida. Now, where did Phil go? I can't find him anywhere. What was that? Run, 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 run. Huge explosion. Run, run, run. Phil, are you alright? What happened? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What happened? Are you alright? Get up, man. Get up. Get up. Where did that explosion come from? You alright? Check. Let's see. One arm. Yeah. Other arm. 2 legs. Oh, let's get to the ambulance. Let's get to the hospital right now. Okay, here's the test. We can't decide whether to take Phil to the hospital, so he has to do a mini wipeout. If he passes, he doesn't have to go to the hospital. I've explained already. Go.
No. I need to.
Oh, he will explain. Okay.
Mini wipeout is go up there, over there, down there, up there, do the notch, and go down.
And you have to do it in 1 minute. Go.
No, in 1 minute 30.
Go.
Go. 1 minute 30 to pass the test. And if you fall, just restart the beginning of the obstacle, not the whole course.
I don't know. He's a little slow. Might be hospital time. Might be hospital time. Oh no, he's picking up. Well, at least, okay, he passed the emergency. He doesn't have to go to emergency anyway. Let's see. Philippe passed the test. Woohoo!